Hello, my dear subscriber and viewers. Welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video, I am going to explain about types of modifiers and uses. So, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. And in this video, I will explain only part 1 modifiers. So that means some few modifiers I will cover in this video and remaining modifiers I am going to cover in next video. So modifier part 1 and part 2. Okay, so let's see what is the modifier, what is the meaning of the modifier. So modifier means additional information to the service. So the doctor is doing some procedure or any other services. So with that procedure, doctor is whether other doctor involved or any extra work doctor done. So actual hours of some procedure. So doctor is extending beyond that actual timing. So for this additional information, we are going to give to the biller or this additional to the services. So based on this, either dollar value will get increase or decrease. So modifier meaning is that additional information to the procedure. So what are the procedures doctor performed? To that CPT code only we are going to append modifiers. Okay, then so let's see. First modifier is 22 modifier. 22 modifier is increased services. Means the actual procedure, for example, the actual procedure is only 1 hour, but doctor is doing more than 1 hour. That means 1 hour 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 2 hours doctor. So for what reason doctor extended hours than the actual hours? So that means we need actually valuable reasons why doctor extended the procedure. So this is the one example. The next example, either severity of the patient. During the procedure, patient may get any rhythm, heart rhythm increases, something, patient is obesity, so or any bleeding. So the patient may get some complications during the procedure. So for that reason, doctor extended the procedure. So then technical difficulties. So these all things, doctor may increase the hours or difficulty of the doctor will feel very complexity of the procedures. So either the timing or any complexity of the procedures, so we will going to append the 22 modifier to the surgeries. So not to the E&M services. So this modifier applicable to the surgery codes. Okay. So I am going to explain one more time. So actual procedure, beyond that doctor is extending or any complexity or any technical difficulties doctor is doing complexity of the procedure. So those reasons we will append 22 modifier to the CPT code, surgery codes, not to the E&M codes. Okay, let's see next modifier. So next modifier is 23 modifier. 23 modifier is unusual anesthesia modifier. So unusual anesthesia modifier means actually for particular minor surgeries not required anesthesia, but for that after procedures doctor is giving either general anesthesia, then doctor started the procedure. So actually for that procedure no need to give anesthesia at all. Without anesthesia doctor can able to perform that procedure, but some circumstances doctor giving general anesthesia, then doctor is doing the surgery means we need to append 23 modifier, but the reason, the valuable reason doctor should has to mention. For an example, if patient age is elderly patient or patient is very child patients, so those patient for simple suture also they can't able to tolerate that pain. So for those patients we will give the anesthesia, then we'll perform the procedure. So like this, some valuable reason doctor has to mention, so this is the reason why I'm given the anesthesia, so that if we have the valuable reason, then we can append 23 modifier to the surgery codes. Okay, then the next modifier is 24 modifier. So 24 modifier is unrelated E&M services by the same physician or other qualified healthcare professional during a postoperative period. So this modifier means, so doctor performed one procedure 10 days before. Okay, that procedure comes under 90 days global period. Example, major procedure doctor performed a few days back. So during that postoperative period, patient is coming to the other conditions. Like appendectomy means for appendicitis only patient undergone the appendectomy. So not related to that appendicitis, unrelated, either after 10 days patient is coming to the doctor for any fracture or any laceration or like that, unrelated to the main procedure. If the patient is coming to the doctor during the postoperative period, means we need to append 24 modifier to the E&M services. Okay, so patient coming for during that 90 days global period, patient may come any other treatment. Okay, so any other like headache or ankle pain or any other conditions, patient may come during the postoperative period. So you need to check whether the within that postoperative period patient is coming related services to that surgery or non-related to that non-related. So if it is non-related, then we need to append 24 modifier to the E&M services. Okay, next modifier is 25 and 57 modifiers. These two modifier I am going to explain together, then only you can understand. So 25 modifier means these two modifier we need to append to the E&M services, not to the surgery codes. Okay, for example, patient is coming to the doctor any treatment like I have the pain, lower abdomen pain, severe lower abdomen pain. So doctor is performing the whole examination and imaging also they done, and final diagnosis like cholecystitis. So severe cholecystitis, like chronic and acute, something severe cholecystitis. So same day itself you have to do the surgery, like that some condition will come in. So we need to append 25 modifier and 57 modifier to the E&M services. Okay, so same day E&M services as well as surgery also doing means, so we need to append these two modifier to the E&M services. So 25 modifier means minor procedure, 57 modifier means major procedure. If it is same day E&M services and surgery also undergoing, the patient is undergoing surgery also, means that surgery either it is a minor procedure or major procedures. So we need to look into the report only whether that surgery is minor or major. Based on that, these two modifier we are going to append. If it is minor procedure, then 25 modifier to the E&M services, then surgery code. If it is major procedures, then we need to append 57 modifier to the E&M services followed by surgery course. Okay, so this is the difference. So 25 means minor and 57 means major procedures. So in the first video itself I explained about global period modifiers, global periods like 0 days, 10 days, 90 days global periods. Based on this global period only, these two modifiers we will append. Okay, then next modifier is 26 modifier. 26 modifier means professional component. So professional component means if physician interpret that test, then doctor will not perform the test, but physician interprets only the test, means that means physician giving only the result against that imaging guidelines or whatever test they performed before itself. This physician doing only the result of that test. So that time we have to append 26 modifier to the radiology services, or sometime we will use in 9 series also. So professional component, radiology course will need to append. So our physician, our E&M physicians do only the interprets to that test. Okay, so that time we have to append 26 modifier. Okay, next modifier is 32 modifier. 32 modifier means mandatory services. That means some service patient come to the doctor, one doctor. So to that doctor, patient done all E&M services, but that services needs to extend to the third party. So like a second opinion to the other doctor. So that who will do that third part extend services to the third party means on either insurance people or any school requirements or any work compensation claim. So those people only actually they only have to do second opinion to the third party. So that then only we can append this modifier. If patient itself or family members is doing second opinion to the other doctor, their own wishes, means we will not append 32 modifier. So this modifier only applicable to the government related or work compensatory or any insurance people itself. They are going to with this report to the other doctor for second opinion to perform the further surgery or something. So if those people, if they are going to the third party doctor, means then we will append 32 modifier. Okay, then 33 modifier. 33 modifier means preventive services. So this service, this modifier is based on evidence based services. Evidence based services means this modifier actually for routine use in the immunization, for routine use, children's or adult, whatever. So like that, any mandatory services like preventive services, we need to append 33 modifiers. For example, screening for the children's or screening for women or immunizations. These all things we cannot avoid this, we have to do. So this is like preventive. So those services we need to append 33 modifier. Okay, next 47 modifier. So 47 modifier means anesthesia by the surgeon. So actually surgery will do surgeon, anesthesia will do anesthesiast only. But this procedures, for particular procedure, if our surgeon only itself giving anesthesia and that surgeon itself doing surgery, means so we need to append 47 modifier to the surgery code. So that means so if that anesthesia type will be regional anesthesia or general anesthesia. If our surgery doctor giving local anesthesia, means we should not consider to append this modifier. So we need to look for the either regional anesthesia or general anesthesia. If it is mentioned either one of this anesthesia type, then we can append 47 modifier. Okay, so the simple same surgery in itself doing anesthesia as well as surgery, so that time we need to append 47 modifier. Okay, then next modifier is bilateral modifiers. So bilateral modifier means 50 modifier. 50 modifier means bilateral. So when we have to append this modifier means both side. So this is based on the laterality based modifiers. So both side, both hand, both leg, both ears, and like this laterality modifier. So both side of the body, if doctor is performing the procedure means we need to append 50 modifier to the surgery code. Okay, so this modifier, when we do not append this modifier, for which situations we will not append this modifier means, so this modifier 50 modifier we will not append this to the add-on codes. So if it is add-on codes bilateral coming means we have to give two times, one for LT and one for right side. So separately we have to bill it, but we should not append 50 modifier to the single CPT code, add-on codes. Okay, then if the bilateral word itself is there in our CPT description means we should not append 50 modifier. So the first point is to the add-on codes we should not append 50 modifier, and if the description itself bilateral word is there, then we should not append 50 modifier. Okay, next. And so the description, like for example, you can go and check in the tabular list 27150. So the description of this CPT code is osteotomy pelvis bilateral. So that means this bilateral word is there in our CPT description. So to this code, we should not append 50 modifier. Okay, then then if it is if our description itself if it is bilateral we will not append, but sometime in CPT description unilaterally or bilaterally, like that they will mention, like that is there in some CPT description. So to that CPT code also we should not append 50 modifier. Okay, so 50 modifier means the word should not be there in that CPT description, and the code should not be as a add-on code. Then that word unilaterally or bilaterally, this word also you should not be there in our CPT descriptions. So those reasons, those scenarios we will not append 50 modifier to the CPT code. Okay, then so that's it guys. Modifier up to 50 modifier we can close this video. In next video remaining modifiers I will cover. Okay, so those who are not subscribe my video, please guys subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt please type in the comment box. Definitely I will reply. And if you have any clarifications in previous videos also, you can ask in this section, or in that video itself you can comment. Then okay guys, let's see in the next video modifier part 2. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.